Welcome to Raising with Love, the channel where parenting is guided by kindness, connection, and calm consistency. Today's challenge is one many parents face. How do we help our children develop the habit of daily studying without yelling or punishment? Let's discover a gentler way, through empathy, routine, and trust in loving discipline. At first, it's subtle. Your child just doesn't want to sit down and study. You gently ask him to begin, hoping today will be different. But instead, he turns away, uninterested and unwilling to try. He comes up with excuses saying, "I'm tired," or "It's boring." As a parent, your patience starts to wear thin, and before you know it, your voice rises, even though you didn't want it to. He sits at the table, but the books stay untouched. His head rests on his arms, he's quiet and lost.
You've tried reminders, soft words, but nothing seems to reach him, and inside you wonder, what else can I do?
Instead of forcing study time, begin with a simple, consistent routine. A quiet desk by the window, books ready, the same hour each day. This builds comfort, not conflict. Children thrive in predictability. When study becomes a natural part of the day, it stops feeling like a chore. The boy now sits calmly, parents nearby with encouraging smiles, no tension, just trust. This is how we replace pressure with peaceful habit. Once the pressure is removed and tasks feel manageable, children begin to engage on their own. Look at him now, calmly writing, focused and proud. No shouting, no stress, just quiet encouragement and trust. And behind him, his father watches silently, heart full, knowing that small wins today build strong habits tomorrow. Not all learning needs a desk and books. Reading a recipe improves focus and reading skills. Counting fruits becomes a playful math lesson. Measuring ingredients while baking teaches real-world problem-solving. Writing a card or reading a story aloud builds confidence. Even helping with a grocery list turns into a fun reading task. Daily life offers endless chances to learn, with joy, not pressure. Study time doesn't have to mean pressure or silence. Try connecting learning to real life, read a fun animal story together, use fruits to teach math, or turn science into space adventures. Children learn best through play and meaning. When parents join in with curiosity and joy, studying becomes more than a task. It becomes a time of discovery, laughter, and love. And that's where real learning begins, from the heart. Pressure with connection, study time transforms. It's no longer a battle, it becomes a shared journey of discovery. Children thrive when they feel supported, not judged. So take a deep breath, lead with love, and remember, every page they turn with joy today builds the confident learner they'll become tomorrow. Because parenting with patience leaves lessons that last a lifetime.